Here is what one side of the Taida big valve reed cage looks like after I've taken apart the 3 parts that are on one side. What we have is the reed goes right here. Then the spring lays over the top of that. And then you have the reed stop, which lays over that. And what is surprising here is usually on the far side here, there's a tiny metal bar right there. But this one doesn't have a metal bar. This one does, as you can see. And if the metal bar or the anything falls down into your intake and goes up into your engine, you're not going to have a good day at all. And I said we would tear these down and look at them. I don't know how to edit videos, so this may be long and rambling. If it helps you, great. Just remember it's free, and maybe it'll take your mind off of catching the cold or something, or whatever that is. But if we look at the inside here, and this is the first time I've looked at it, you can see where the fit and the finish of these reed valve openings, and I'll hold it against the white right there, you can see it's jagged and it's not very well done. We can see here little pieces of rough spots. These can all be taken out. The thing is, if you are going to do any work on the reed at all, this flat surface right here cannot be touched at all. Right along here. That is where the reed lays against here, and that's where it seals. A lot of these reeds, they have an oversized hole right down here, so you can kind of move the reed like this or like this to get it where you want it. Okay, I've got to put this on the charger.